Hello, my name is Shane. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you some great news about YouTube video quality. You guys may suffer from bad video quality after uploading a video to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to tell you how to avoid it and upload a decent quality video to your channel. Basically, YouTube is processing your video to match to their video criteria after you upload a video. The thing is, if you are uploading videos in 1080p resolution or lower, then YouTube will process your video with a VC codec. The problem with a VC codec is it will lower your video quality. Most people don't know about this. So you can simply check that from going to any YouTube video and right-click the YouTube player and selecting Stats for Nerds. Then you can see the results. It will show the codec as a VC if the video resolution is 1080p or lower. So you have to do a simple thing to get a sharper, crispy video output after uploading your video. VP09 is the actual codec that needs to process your videos after upload. So if you want a decent quality video output, you have to record or shoot your videos in higher resolution than 1080p. Options are 2K, known as Ultra HD, or 4K. Most of the YouTubers are using 2K or 4K resolution when they are recording their videos. So from today, try to upload videos at least in Ultra HD resolution to get better results. Make sure to record your videos in 2K or higher. After this, I will show you how to export a video after editing, to match the YouTube video criteria. For better, crispy, sharp video output. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Hope you guys have an amazing day.